If you've got a pile of deleted notes sitting in Evernote and you want to clear them out for good, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to empty the trash in the Evernote app on desktop and web, step by step, so you can permanently remove those notes and keep your account clean and organized. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Evernote tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open Evernote on your Mac, Windows computer, or in your web browser. Once you're inside, look at the left-hand sidebar and scroll all the way down to the bottom. You'll see an option called Trash. Click Trash to open the deleted notes folder. Now that the trash folder is open, take a moment to review what's inside. This is important because once you empty the trash, those notes are gone permanently. If there's anything you still need, restore it before continuing. But if you're sure you want to delete everything, look to the upper right-hand corner of the note list. There, you'll find the Empty Trash button. Click that button to begin the permanent deletion process. Evernote will usually ask you to confirm your choice, so go ahead and confirm that you want to permanently delete all notes in the trash. Once you confirm, Evernote will clear out the trash and remove those notes from your account. That's it. Your deleted notes are now permanently erased, and your Evernote workspace is a little cleaner and easier to manage. If you ever need to free up space, remove old notes, or just keep your account organized, this is the fastest way to do it. And remember, because this action is permanent, always double-check the trash before you empty it. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more Evernote tips, and leave a comment if you want to see more app tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.